So we just got another Barkshop order from BarkBox. So our dog is ready for us to open it. She's impatiently waiting for it to be opened. So here's the toy that we got. It's an onion.
An onion?
Oh, here's our other cute doggy. She's more interested in the treats, this old lady. So these are Gobble soft bake. So they're turkey soft bake treats. And then we got that along with the onion toy, which I will open up for her.
The onion is sad because when you cut onions, your eyes water.
Uh-huh.
So that's why it looks sad.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that open for her. I'm gonna have to wait till she gets over this toy to cut it off because every time I try to grab it, she runs away. And she's way faster than me. But she loves it. It's a squeaky toy. And she's having so much fun with it. Squeaky toys are her favorite. So if you're interested in this toy or any of the BarkBox treats, please click the link in this video or in the description box. Thanks for watching.